Hello, my name is Dana Volney and I teach for Digital Workshop Center. I am in Casper, Wyoming, and I have had my marketing consulting company for over 14 years now. So I bring a lot of experience to you and I love sharing it. With the classes I teach, we go over a lot of real world applications that you need. So how to actually start ads and what you need to know to then relay that to your clients, to cohorts, to businesses. And I love that. That is my favorite part about teaching, is giving people real world skills that they can use and answering any questions that you might have about different scenarios, what it's like to have a consulting business, all of that kind of stuff that can be pretty scary. I've made those mistakes and I love to walk people through that life. So welcome to Digital Workshop Center, and I can't wait to have you in class.